سيغالني يا ربي يا كمرادقو كايون كينيا برالي قدني في دبه نبيلكيسي
في رمضان أنا أدف يا رمضان، أنا أدف يا رمضان، شهري قرآنا شهري قرآنا.
Nashida. Hi guys, watching TV of Mukhtar Hussain of TV. I wanna say something for all of you. Have to subscribe and like and share. Very important for all of Muslim and non-Muslim people. So you have to watch it. I wanna say watching this video, you have to support by subscribing. You have to support by sharing for other person. Means for your friend, for your family, for your living in this world. This channel is new channel. So this channel is coming new idea, coming things new, such as like Nashida, like different advice.